So, welcome to the second part of cyclotron. Here we will discuss the theory behind the cyclotron. So, it is found that the magnetic Lorentz force provides centripetal force to the charged particle. What is centripetal force? It is mv square over r equals to q b v. M is the mass of the particle, v is the velocity, r is radius which we are going to calculate, and q is the charge, b is magnetic field, and v is also velocity. So from here we can calculate the r, implies that cancelling v, r equals mv over qb. This gives the radius of any orbit. This thing, it gives radius of any orbit. As we can interpret from here, r is directly proportional to v, velocity of the charged particle. So in the second step, we will take the time taken to complete the half circle. Time taken to complete the half circle, the semicircle which we were talking about. Simple basic formula: time is equal to distance upon speed. True. What is distance? Pi into r over what is speed? V, which implies that t is equal to pi over v, and what is the value of r? Mv over qv. Mv over qb, cancelling out v with v, we get t equals pi m over qv. That is, time is independent of radius and space. Look, on which thing times are dependent? Time is depending upon the mass, charge, and magnetic field. These are not, time is not depending on radius and speed of the particle. And what is the value of time period? Like if we have to calculate the time period, first of all, what is time period? Time period is basically time taken to complete one complete cycle, one cycle. So it is half time for half cycle. So time period should be twice of it. T is equal to 2 times pi m over qb. So now we will talk about frequency, denoted by nu. What is frequency? Reciprocal of time period, we all know about it, but number of cycles produced in 1 second. How will you define frequency? Number of cycles produced in 1 second. So basically it is reciprocal of time period 1 by t, which implies that nu is equal to qb over 2 pi m. And let's talk about angular frequency omega. We all know the relation omega is equal to 2 pi times nu. So calculating omega is very easy from here. Omega is basically 2 pi times qb over 2 pi m, cancelling 2 pi with 2 pi. Omega is equal to not 2 qb over m. And from here we can calculate the maximum kinetic energy which a charged particle gain after that it will hit the target. Maximum kinetic. How kinetic energy is calculated? What is the formula for kinetic energy? We all know E equals half m v square, not v square actually, v max square, because we need to calculate the maximum kinetic energy, so velocity should be maximum. So let's put the velocity of velocity v here, half m. What is v? V is calculated from here, from this formula. What is v? qbr over m. Here qbr over m, it should be r max and its square, cancelling m with m, simplifying it, we get half q square b square over m, 1m is cancelled out, and r max square. So this is how the maximum kinetic energy that a charged particle is going to acquire is calculated. So that's all from theory point of view. I'll share the PDF file in the description box. You can have notes from there. Thank you.